What's up guys, Cory Scott, welcome back to the channel. Today we have two very unmotivated overweight dogs to work out with me. I'm super fired up. We're gonna do an ab workout. It's for beginners, so it's very fitting that they're doing it with me. So anyways guys, we're gonna do quite a few different moves for anyone, anywhere, anytime. No weights needed. This is just to kind of get you in the zone of doing abs. So without further ado, let's get into it. We're gonna go 45 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds of rest. And we're gonna start out with some jumping jacks. So I'm gonna bring it up here. And if you're English, you call them star jumps, we call them jumping jacks. Engage that core as you're doing them. Right, guys? Awesome. Glad you guys showed up today. That's half the battle. Keep that core engaged. Got a nice speed going. Guys, I also have a standing out abs warm-up workout. That's a really good precursor to this one. It's only about 5 or 6 minutes long. Also, if you have any injuries or anything, you can't go to the ground, it's a perfect workout. A couple more seconds. Whew, all right, down to the mat. All right, we're gonna go ins and outs. And here we go. All right, you guys gotta move. I'm not used to putting my feet this high, but when you've got dogs under you. Just in, out, in. I like to do this with my arms. You can also just put your hands like this and just do ins and outs as well. Good work, guys. Good job. We're gonna stand up. We're gonna do some high knees. Whew, just give it a nice stretch. Oh. There we go, good job. All right, here we go, high knees. Keep yourself accountable. Put your arm out. Hey, hey, hey. Get back here. Get back here. I'm not letting you get off that easy. You can't get out of a workout just like that. Guys, believe it or not, we're actually filming in my backyard. This is the first workout I filmed back here. My girlfriend thought it'd be a good idea to build a film set back here. I think the dogs think it's a giant litter box. And here we are. Good speed, guys, good speed. Keep that core engaged. 10 seconds left. Awesome. Back down to the ground, we're gonna do some obliques. All right. All right. We're gonna start with our right obliques. Hand on the ground. Nice, slow, and controlled. Awesome work. It actually makes a workout harder when you have a dog as an obstacle. And generally they don't stick around this long when I work out. It must be the new sandbox we built them. Good breaths for me, guys. Yeah, I can feel that burn. Good work, guys. Left obliques over the other side. Come here, come on. Okay, over here, there you go. Sit down. All right, good work, guys. All right, this is great. This is everything I've ever dreamed of right here. Thanks, Penny. Yep, she just licked me in the mouth. Good work, guys. Don't let dogs ruin your form either. Just stay focused. Good work. Oh yeah. Maybe a beginner ab workout, the movements wise, but doesn't mean you can't get an awesome burn. All right, we're gonna rotate back to this side. We're just gonna do just pulses here. Feet together, hands, we're just going right through. All right, thanks guys, thank you. Thank you, Alfie, for the neck support. And laughing is good for your abs too, so. For those of you guys who don't know, I actually work as a firefighter paramedic. My coworkers love these videos and they love these dogs, so I know I'm gonna get nothing but praises about this workout at the firehouse, so I love it. Oh yeah, good work guys. Let's do couple more moves. We're gonna do toe touches. So we're gonna start, put your right leg out. We're gonna touch it. So I like to grab it here and just come up and give it a touch. You can go without it, modification, and just touch it, but just give yourself just that little boost. Good. Good job. I think Alfie, just by being here, he's not working out, but by association, he's actually losing weight. Or he's just hungry, so he's sitting here not moving, so one or the other. Guys, if you have any other workouts you want me to do, drop a comment below. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Good work. All right, we lost one. As long as you guys are still with me, that's all I care about. All right, whew. Good, good, good. All right, last leg here, guys. Left side, and then we're done, okay? Good work. Don't forget to breathe, guys. Get the oxygen to those muscles. And if you can get your legs straighter than mine, that would be ideal. I'm not that flexible, so that's where you see a little bit of the bend. The straighter, the better. Oh, woo! That's it, guys, for beginner abs. Thanks for joining me today. We got Penny's abs here. She's super fired up. So we'll see you guys on the next workout. I appreciate you guys showing up.